Everyone has to mute your mic now, and now we are going to learn about our lesson, that is timeline. So I am presenting my PPT over here. Please mute your mics, and yes. So we have our PPT. So what is the name of a timeline? What is the name of the lesson?
Timeline.
Yes, very nice. The name of the lesson is timeline. Now what we have learnt already, this is the revision video, okay, revision session. So what we have already learnt in this lesson is how to arrange events, before and after event, present and future event, history and historians. Then we have learnt about timeline also, okay. So first thing we will learn is how to arrange events, okay. So how to arrange event means we arrange event by the time that we have done, or by the time of their happenings, or the day on which they happen, or the date on which they happen, or the month in which they happen. So right now we have some days here: Saturday, Tuesday, Monday, Thursday, Friday and Wednesday. So these are days, but are these days in a particular sequence?
No.
No, these days are not in a particular sequence, and that is why we will be arranging them in a particular sequence. So what will be the sequence? The sequence will be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. This will be the sequence of our days. Likewise, we have some activities over here, like brushing my teeth, play time, go to bed, going to school, come back from school and complete my homework. So these are the activities that we have, okay, and we will be learning about how to arrange them, okay, how to arrange them, that we are going to learn. Now which activity will come first and at what time it will come, that also we will write here. Means उसका हम time भी लिखेंगे और वो कौन से नंबर पे आएगी वो भी हम यहाँ पे लिखेंगे. So at what time we brush our teeth? Suppose we brush our teeth in 7 in the morning, when we play at 3:30 in the afternoon, then we go to bed in 9:30 in the evening, okay. We come back, we go to school 8 in the morning and we come back from school 3 in the afternoon. So these are the times, accordingly we are arranging our activities. Now if we will give them a number, so brush my teeth activity will come at number 1, then which activity will come at number 2, then go to school will activity come at number 2, then come from a school will come at number 3, and playtime will come at number 4, complete homework number 5 and go to bed at 6. So we have arranged this activity. Now we will arrange them with correct sequence and correct time. So here some activities were there, and that activities we have arranged on the basis of time or on the basis of a number. यहाँ पे हमने देखा 1 2 3 4 5 6 इस नंबर से भी हमने उन्हें अरेंज किया, और 7 8 3 3:30 5:30 9:30 इस टाइम के हिसाब से भी हमने उसको अरेंज किया. So this was about the arranging an activity. Now we will be learning about before and after. Now आज ही का एग्जाम्पल बता देता हूँ. बिफोर ज्वाइनिंग ऑनलाइन क्लास आप क्या करते हो? ज्वाइन करने से पहले फर्स्ट यू ब्रश, यू हैव योर ब्रेकफास्ट, यू डू ऑल दोज थिंग, देन आप फोन को चार्जिंग कर लेते हो, फिर उसको हेडफोन वगैरह लगा के ने यू सिट इन अ क्वाइट प्लेस वेयर नो वन विल डिस्टर्ब यू. आपको कोई भी डिस्टर्ब नहीं करेगा, ऐसी जगह पे आप बैठ जाते हो. एंड देन व्हाट यू डू व्हेन लिंक कम्स, यू जस्ट क्लिक ऑन दैट लिंक एंड ज्वाइन फॉर द सेशन. और जब सेशन शुरू हो जाता है उसके बाद में आप क्या करते हो, जो भी चलेगा, मीन्स बिफोर स्टार्टिंग सेशन ये सब तैयारी करते हो, और सेशन खत्म होने के बाद में क्या करते हो आप, यू टर्न ऑफ द लिंक मीन्स गूगल मीट को आप बंद करोगे, देन अगर आपके फोन में चार्जिंग नहीं है तो यू विल चार्ज योर फोन and then you will keep your phone headphones away, then go to kitchen, have a drink sip of water. ये सब आप चीजें करोगे मीन्स बिफोर एंड आफ्टर. तो लाइकवाइज वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न सम थिंग्स जो बिफोर मतलब पहले, आफ्टर मीन्स बाद में. व्हाट आर दोज थिंग्स दैट बिफोर एंड आफ्टर कम्स, वो हम क्या करेंगे यहाँ पे सीखेंगे. सो वी हैव वन एग्जाम्पल. सपोज few of you are going to trip. Okay, so trip को जाने से पहले what are the things that you will take care of? Few things I have written here. मैंने कुछ यहाँ पे चीजें बता दी है, जैसे कि you will first decide the place to go, decide a day or a date to go, then arranging a vehicle, packing of a clothes, medicine and food, informing neighbors, informing the housemaid, taking care of a milkman and newspaper boy. इसके अलावा व्हाट विल बी द प्रिपरेशन दैट यू विल बी डूइंग टू गो पिकनिक. आद्या टेल मी, इसके अलावा कुछ और है जो आप प्लान करोगे अगर आप कोई ट्रिप पे जा रहे हो या फिर कोई फंक्शन के लिए जा रहे हो, तो व्हाट विल बी दैट प्रिपरेशन, व्हाट विल बी द एक्टिविटीज और द इवेंट्स दैट विल टेक प्लेस बिफोर गोइंग टू ट्रिप एक्चुअली. सो हु विल टेल मी? अधोक्षज, कुड यू प्लीज, आर यू लिसनिंग मी?
Yes, I'm.
यस, बोलो बेटा. तो आप ट्रिप को जाने के लिए क्या क्या तैयारी करोगे?
I will.
यस,
I will pack my bag.
यस. और क्या क्या होगा तैयारी में?
I will pack my lunch and dinner.
यस. और
I will say to the maid of the that I am going to a picnic,
ओके.
and I will tell
Wait,
that
wait, wait,
to the
wait.
milkman.
हाँ ना. अनुश्री, आर यू देयर? चौधरी, बेटा यू टेल मी व्हाट विल बी योर प्रिपरेशन. अगर आप कहीं घूमने जा रहे हो तो आपकी प्रिपरेशन क्या होगी? व्हाट विल यू डू बिफोर गोइंग? सपोज आपको कल जाना है, आपको कल कहीं पिकनिक के लिए जाना है, तो आज आप क्या क्या करोगे?
Sir, I will pack my luggage or I will take things that I need in picnic.
यस.
I will pack that things and I will tell to neighbors or my friends I am going to picnic. I cannot play with you like that. I will inform everyone.
Okay. Now who else is there? Bharate, could you please? बता सकोगे? या फिर if someone wants to share your points, he or she can unmute yourself and give your views. क्या होगी और क्या इसके अलावा what will be the preparation that will take place? Suppose आपको कल या परसों कहीं पिकनिक के लिए जाना है, तो what will be your preparation for that? आद्या, are you there?
Yes, sir.
So बोलो बेटा, what will be your preparation if you are going for a picnic और any शादी के लिए जाना है या फिर ट्रिप के लिए जाना है? So what will be your preparation?
First, I will make list of things which I want to take.
Yes, excellent, excellent, very nice. Then उसके बाद में?
And then we will pack the bag.
Yes, yes.
Then we will book a car, taxi, or anything.
Yes, very nice, very nice. और
And then we will tell to neighbor that we are going out, so please take care of our home.
yes, very nice.
And to friends also we can tell that we are going out, so we cannot play with you.
Yes, 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 yes. Very nicely. You all have said very nicely. Very nice. Claps for you all. Okay. So listen. These were the activities that we planned before going to picnic. ये हमने कब किए plan? जब हम पिकनिक को जाने वाले हैं, उसके जाने से पहले. ओके, वी हैव नॉट गॉन इट, हम अभी तक गए नहीं है. सो दीज एक्टिविटीज व्हाट वी विल डू, वी विल अरेंज देम ऑन वन नंबर लाइन. वन एक लाइन पे हम उन्हें हॉरिजॉन्टली अरेंज कर लेंगे. सो इफ विल अरेंज देम हॉरिजॉन्टली, सो विच ऑप्शन विल कम फर्स्ट और विच इवेंट विल कम फर्स्ट? So deciding a place or a day, that will come first. Then arranging vehicle will come first. Then packing up a clothes, medicine, informing your neighbors, your friends. okay, that you are not coming to play or look after our home. These will be the activities that will take place. Okay, now suppose you have gone to picnic, okay, and you enjoyed a lot, you took a lot of pictures, you took a lot of toys, you brought some sweets and बहुत कुछ आपने वहाँ से खरीद लिया, जो भी कुछ आपको लेना था, that you did and you came back. So वापस आने के बाद में भी there are some steps, okay, उसके बाद में भी some things are there, like वापस आने के बाद you will unpack your luggage, जो भी आपने सामान लेके गए थे वो वापस निकालोगे कार में से या फिर व्हीकल में से, घर में रखोगे. You will wash used clothes, जो भी क्लोथ्स आपने यूज किए हैं, या फिर मेडिसिन जो लेके गए थे वो वापस आप डिब्बे में रखोगे, फर्स्ट एड बॉक्स में रखोगे. मीन्स देयर आर नंबर ऑफ थिंग्स दैट कम्स आफ्टर एन इवेंट ऑल्सो. लाइक हम खाना खाने से पहले भी देर आर सम थिंग्स, लाइक वी हैव टू प्रिपेयर दैट फूड, लाइक वी नीड वेजिटेबल, गैस, ऑयल, स्पाइसेस, मेनी थिंग्स वी नीड. When we eat, after eating also we need to collect those vessels or the things in which we ate, then we have to wash those, okay, and keep it again, arrange those. So there are some things which come before also and which come after also. So if we will arrange all of them together in a particular order, so first this after event we have arranged here, and when we arrange them grouped together, it will become one timeline, it will become one series of event. So understood after and before? ये before after वाला चक्कर समझ में आ गया बेटा?
Yes, sir.
Very nice. Okay, okay. Now we'll move forward to our next point. Now the next point is history and historians. Now you have seen or learnt the subject history is been added. Right now you have a EVS, environmental studies, up to class 5, but if you go to class 6 you have a history separate, civics separate subject, and geography is a separate subject. So what is this history and what is these historians and all those things, okay? But before that I would like to ask one question to someone. Gadde, are you there? Yes beta?
Yes, sir.
So tell me what you did yesterday. कल आप दोपहर में 2 बजे क्या कर रहे थे? What you were doing yesterday? Tell me, tell me.
I am playing, sir.
Okay, you were playing. Okay. Now, Patil, could you please tell me what you were doing day before yesterday? Patil, unmute yourself and answer, please.
Yes, sir.
Yes, beta.
sir.
हाँ?
Tomorrow was
No. Day before yesterday. परसों क्या कर रहे थे आप? On 29th December. So you were like playing or you were like studying. कुछ ना कुछ कर रहे होंगे ना आप?
yes.
हाँ. So that whatever you did, or yesterday you were playing or day before yesterday you were playing, are you playing right now or you already played? मतलब वो आपने खेल चुके हैं, उस वक्त वो टाइम बीत गया, राइट? वो गया हुआ वक्त वापस आएगा क्या? No, it won't come back. So जो इवेंट, ओके, जो इवेंट होते हैं, the events that took place, okay, already, that were in your past. The event that actually are happening right now, that are your present event, and the event that will happen in future, that will be your future event. Now I would like to ask someone, like Shreya is here. Shreya, could you please answer me, yes or no? Are you listening, Shreya? Or Razore, someone is there?
Yes.
हाँ बेटा, तो you tell me, आपको आगे जाके जिंदगी में क्या बनना है? What you want to become in the future? आप क्या बनना चाहोगे? इंजीनियर, डॉक्टर, IAS, IPS ऑफिसर, what you want to be?
Doctor.
Yes, so that is your future, okay? So you will suppose इस फोटो में हम क्या करेंगे? Right now you are seeing a photo of our honorable PM Mr. Narendra Modi ji, okay? So this is the picture which he was in his past. right now he is looking like this. Like suppose if we'll put Rajore's photo here of class 1, okay, mute your mics, okay. So Rajore will be a small kid in past. वो आप पहले क्या थे, एक छोटे से बच्चे थे. Right now also he or she is a kid only, okay, but in future she or he will be are you Rajore, what is your name?
Aditya.
Aditya means he will become a very great, a famous doctor he will become, means that will be his future, okay. So past, present and future. Past he was in class 1, in present he is in class 3, and in future he will become a doctor. So this is another example of a telephone. आपने देखा होगा इस तरह के टेलीफोन थे पहले, उसको हमें उठाना पड़ता था, नंबर डायल करना पड़ता था, देन ट्रिंग ट्रिंग नंबर जाएगा, वो सामने वाला उठाएगा, फिर बात करेगा, ओके. So many things were there, but right now what we have, we all have smartphones. So we can simply dial a number and another person will receive, and we can talk to each other. And in future we have a very different kind of phones coming, okay. So that is the future technology. So जो event आप first standard में थे, means the event which already taken place, which already happened, are called past event. You were already in first standard, already in second standard. अभी आप अगले साल जाओगे क्या second standard में? No, you will not. No, you will not go back to your second standard, because that is already taken place. That is already happened. So the event that has already, yes, the event that has already taken place or happened in your life are called past event. Okay, and the event which is happening right now you are listening to me. Right now you are attending EVS period. Right now you are in a class 3. Right now you are in 31st December 2020 day is there right now. Which day is there? Which day it is? It is Thursday it is, okay. Right now it's a good afternoon, it's afternoon session is there. So the thing which is going on right now, that is your present event, and the things which will come tomorrow, a new day will come, that will be the new year, okay. Tomorrow is the 1st January 2021, that is the new year. So everyone, happy new year in advance only, okay. So tomorrow will be another year, okay. So that will be the future day. So the event that may come or will come or that may happen in a time to come, that is the future event. समझ में आ गया? Past, present, future events.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is a very nice movie, all have seen, right? तानाजी the unsung warrior हमने देखी है, right?
Yes, sir. I have seen it.
Yes. Those who have, जिसने नहीं देखी वो एक बार आपने, okay, हाँ, कड़म कर, okay, हाँ. Now those who have not seen, ask your, okay, Garde, I got it. Now quiet please. Those who have not seen this movie, not watched this movie, ask your parents to download and you can watch it. It's a very nice movie. It's a family drama movie. This movie is about a warrior Tanaji, okay. So you can see here, wait, this actor, his name is Ajay Devgan. He is playing Tanaji Malusare, the commander in chief of our Honorable Mr. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj's army, okay, the king of Maratha. And this Saif Ali Khan is playing Udayban Singh, okay, Rathore, and he is the army commander of Aurangzeb, okay. So they were fighting for one fort, and the name of that fort was Kondhana, okay. So it's a very nice movie. But if I'll ask you, हमने क्या देखा? सिर्फ movie देखी. So actually that event happened on February 4th 1670, 1670 में हो गया. So were we present that time? हम वहाँ पे present थे क्या? No, we were not present.
हम not born on that time.
Yes, we were not born. Our parents were also not born that time. No. So that we learned or get to know from articles or from the written work, okay. So the event which is already happened in 16th century, okay. So that is our past that is our past event. So who tells us about these events and all that? So history tells us about these events which are already taken place in the past. So what is history then? History is the study of past events. History is the study of past events. What is the spelling of history? History. Okay, history is the study of past event. Past events means events which are already taken place. Okay, already happened. Now another one is there. Now a person who drives car, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? The person who drives, driver. A person who paints, painter. A person who look after our garden, gardener. Okay, the person who repairs our taps, our pipes, plumber. Very nice. Okay, so likewise a person who studies in school is called student. A person, a boy or girl who is studying in a school or college is called a student. But a person who studies past event is called historian. Okay, the person who studies past event is called historian. Understood? Okay, now we will be learning about timeline. So but before going to timeline, we need to understand the units of measurement of a timeline. So we have a watch. What shows how many hours our watch shows in total? कितने hours होते हैं अपने watch में? कितने number होते हैं our watch में? Our watch contains 1 to 12, right? 1 to 12. And in between 1 to 12 we have minute hand also, hour hand also and second hand. तीन कांटे होते हैं घड़ी में, एक मिनट वाला, एक सेकंड वाला, एक आवर वाला. Okay, so the second hand when it's complete one rotation that becomes 1 minute, right?
Yes sir.
जो सबसे बड़ा वाला हैंड होता है वॉच का, so when it complete one complete rotation it becomes 1 minute. Everyone please mute your mics. Chaudhary, Dalve, Kalamkar, mute your mics. So when second hand completes one complete rotation, it becomes 1 minute. Hey, Sayed. Okay, and when our minute hand completes one rotation, it becomes 1 hour. And when 24 hours come together, we get 1 day. Okay, that will be divided into day and night. And when 365 days comes together, we get 1 year. And when 10 years come together, it become 1 decade. Decade means 10 years. And when 10 years means 10 decades come together, 10 into 10 is equal to 100, it becomes 1 century. And when 10 centuries come together, it becomes 1 millennium. It becomes 1 millennium. Okay, so when we are discussing about a timeline, so timeline is same like our, see here it is number line. 0 to 20 numbers are arranged in a particular order and particular equal places. Equal distance के बाद में हर एक नंबर लगाया गया है. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 20. Our number line starts with 0 and end with our whatever number we have. So our timeline is also same like our number line only, but it doesn't show 0. 0 is not over there. And what is the use of a timeline? Timeline is used to arrange all the past events of past, events of a future, events of a present in chronological order. Chronological means in the order of, chronological means what? Order of the events they are happened. in order in which events are happened. जैसे उसका आपके रोल नंबर वाइज आपके अटेंडेंस ली जाती है ना, नंबर 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Likewise, events are also arranged in the order they happen. Okay, so this is our timeline. So this is our timeline. Above is a number line. Here you can see 0 1 2 3 4 -1 -2 -3 -4. This is our timeline, and at the bottom we have our timeline. So timeline starts with 1 AD. Now you will ask why there is not a 0, because our timeline is started from the birth of Jesus Christ. Our timeline starts with the birth of Jesus Christ. Okay, and we don't even mark our age as a 0. So that is why before Christ, the before Christ area and after Christ area. So timeline is divided into two halves or two part. The time before the birth of a Christ and time after the birth of a Christ. Okay, so the time which is taken before the birth of a Christ is called BC. The time before the birth of a Jesus Christ is BC. Here you can see 1 BC, 2 BC, 3 BC, 4 BC. To the left side of a timeline will be BC, means before the Christ, and 1 AD means here Jesus Christ has born. That is why our timeline starts with 1 AD, and after 1 AD to the right side 2 AD, 3 AD, 4 AD, 5 AD. Now you will ask, what is this AD? AD means Anno Domini. AD means Anno Domini, and Anno Domini का मतलब क्या होता है? In the year of our Lord. जब वो Lord जिन्हें कहते हैं ना, Jesus Christ. Okay, so Anno Domini means in the year of our Lord. So the first year of our what we say timeline is 1 AD. So timeline के बाद में क्या होता है? 1 AD के बाद में क्या होगा? 1 BC. 1 BC. यहां से क्या हो जाएगा? यहां से BC के बाद में 1 AD हो जाएगा. So 1 AD follows the year 1 BC. 1 AD के बाद में क्या आएगा? 1 BC. Understood? अब तक किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम?
No, sir.
Okay, हाँ. So BC and AD once again we will revise. So BC means before Christ. Okay, before the birth of Christ, which is to the left hand side. Okay, so it counted backwards. BC counts backward, मतलब पीछे जाता है वो काउंट करते करते, एंड AD काउंट्स फॉरवर्ड, मतलब आगे आगे जाता है वो काउंट करते हुए. कड़मकर म्यूट योर माइक. ओके, सो AD goes forward and BC goes backward. But nowadays there are two new terms, that is BCE and CE. When we were using BC, that is before Christ. Okay, so instead of that we are using BCE. BCE stands for before Christian era or before common era. And AD means Anno Domini की जगह पे हम क्या करेंगे? CE यूज करेंगे. Understood? Now when we don't know exact date and time, that time we use a term circa. Which term we use? Circa. Means if we don't know actual date or a time, that time we will be using a term circa over here. Okay, so circa is a Latin word and which means approximately. Okay, now some events are given here. It is from our book. You can see in your book also. 1786 CE, Richard Arkwright invented steam engine. 326 BC, Alexander attacked India. Then 1630 CE, birth of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. 468 BC, death of Vardhaman Mahavira. 1916, first Indian women's university was started, and 567 BCE, birth of Gautam Buddha. Now, so we have arranged them in particular order over here. So this was about our lesson. Now we will be completing our exercise. I will be asking you a question and you have to answer it. Okay, so this is choose the correct option. Circa is a Latin word, and which means what? Circa means
Approximately.
approximately. Correct. The dash dash looks like a number line. Sirka, history, geometrical diagram or a timeline?
Timeline, sir.
Timeline. A dash dash is the study of past event.
History.
Very good. History is the study of past event. Next question. Fill in the blanks. Dash dash days make 1 year. कितने?
365 days, sir.
365 days. The time after the birth of Jesus is known as AD or Anno Domini. In timeline, the series of events are written in which order?
Chronological order.
Chronological order. Excellent, excellent. Chronological order. And BCE stands for?
Before Christian era.
Before Christian era or before common era
Common
also.
era, sir.
Now, next question. True or false? Now, in AD, the years are counted backwards. False. It is counted forward. 10 years make 1 century.
Yes. True.
No, 10 years make 1 decade. And on timeline, 1 AD follows the year 1 BC.
True.
Yes, absolutely true. Okay. Now, what is timeline?
Timeline is.
Yes. So, answer is timeline is representation of events.
Made of time.
Yes.
Timeline looks like a number line.
Okay. Yeah. Mute your mic. If अगर आपके बाजू में कोई आपके घर वाला हो, अगर कोई आवाज आ रही हो, तो you have to mute your mic. And if no one is there with you, you are alone and you can answer. So you can unmute yourself and answer. Okay? Wait, Sayyad. Next one, what does CE stands for? CE means?
The C stands for Christian era.
It stands for Christian era
It stands
or
for
common era. Yes. What does BC stands for? BC
BC
stands
stands
for?
for before counting or before Christian.
Yes, excellent. And who is historian? Wait. Who is historian? A person who studies history is historian. Okay. Now, next question is. Now that's it for our exercise. So ये अपना टेक्स्ट बुक का एक्सरसाइज भी हो गया. So I hope आपने जो भी exercise and the lesson we have learnt, you have understood. Okay? Wait. Mute yourself, everyone. So this was about our exercise.